Let's talk about these Rokid AI glasses I just got. They're ultra light and has built-in AI features. It uses ChatGPT 5.2 and is Apple iOS certified. It came in this premium box and packaging. Let's find out why it says leave nobody behind. These smart glasses do offer real-time translation. It has a built-in high-resolution camera that can record up to 3K video and take 12-megapixel pictures. Let's unbox it so I can show you what's included with the packaging. It comes with two carrying cases. There's this soft one here, as well as one that is hardcover. It's nice that they provide both, because sometimes you just don't want to carry a heavy case. You also get extra nose pads, as well as a magnetic USB charging cord. The charging plug is not included with the purchase. The battery capacity is about 210 milliamp hours, which should last you about 6 to 8 hours depending on your usage. If you do a lot of recording, the battery life will be shorter. The instruction manual was well written and is easy to understand. There's a lot of illustrations that show you how to use your glasses. Take some time to read it so you can fully take advantage of all the features. One neat thing about the smart glasses is that it accepts both voice control as well as gestures. For instance, you could pick up a call by shaking your head, or use two fingers to trigger the AI features. The companion mobile app is extremely easy to use and offers a lot of features that even the more expensive smart glasses don't offer. Glasses weigh about 38 grams, which makes it one of the lightest smart glasses on the market. It also has a polymer titanium frame, which ensures extended wear with no pressure points or reduced fatigue. It's so lightweight that you forget that you're even wearing glasses. It also has built-in dual speakers, which will provide clear and crisp sound, but it's also great for privacy and being alert of the ambient sounds. On the right side frame, you can swipe it to turn the volume high and low. There's also this blinking LED light that lets you know when the AI features turn on. The lenses are also polarized, which significantly reduces glare when you're driving or when you're outdoors. I mentioned about the batteries earlier. It is long lasting and support up to 6 hours of music or talking on the phone for 5 or 2 hours of online translations. If you're a video person, you can get up to 45 minutes of recording. Here's one question that people always ask me about these glasses. When you're recording, is there a flashing LED light on the front? And the answer to that is yes, there is. I know a lot of people don't like it. It's an important feature that protects your privacy as well as others. You don't want people recording you or your family without your knowledge. If the light does bother you, there are third-party products that you can get to cover the LED light. Let's talk about the camera, because I think that's one of the best features for this smart glass. It uses Sony IMX681 sensor, which are exactly the same ones that Meta uses. However, with this camera, it's social media ready. You can take high-res photos in 3K or 4K. For the video recording, you can either select 2.5 or 3K. You can record in either portrait or landscape mode. The video is also recorded in 30 frames per second, which makes the videos extremely vibrant and colorful. You can take photos or videos by pressing the button or by using voice commands, such as Rokid start a recording. What about the video duration? Well, the video can be as short as 15 seconds or as long as 10 minutes. As I mentioned earlier, it's powered by ChatGPT 5.2. You can select either a female or male voice. I'll be honest, both voices sound like Japanese cartoon characters. However, they're very pleasant and soothing to listen to. They provide real-time information such as the weather or time. They can also provide real-world assistance. It has a built-in translator for 6 major languages. These glasses are great for travel, business meetings, or just to have fun.